Hi y'all! Today we are going to be making a croissant apple pie. Keep it stupid, keep it simple. This is an amazing breakfast, an amazing snack for the fall season. For this we have some pre-made Crescent roll dough, some brown sugar, some butter, an apple. We have some allspice, nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon. But before we get to baking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright, so first things first, we've gone ahead and melted about 1/4 cup of our butter. Now you can peel your apple, you don't have to, I'm not going to. I am using a small Honeycrisp apple. You can use whatever apple you would like, just make sure it's a small one. We need 8 slices, thin slices. We're going to go ahead, throw them in our butter. If they're not a thin slice, then they might not cook all the way. Just saying. We'll go ahead and just give our apples a quick toss in that butter. Alright, now we need to make our spice blend. We're going to take 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Take 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Take 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Take 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Take about just 1/8 teaspoon allspice. About 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Go ahead and get this well combined. Go ahead and set this to the side. Now we're going to bring in the baking sheet with a little bit of parchment paper. Now we're going to start making our rolls. Quite simply. You want to get a good amount of spice in this. Kind of press it in. Take one of those apple slices. Place it at the big end. And we're going to roll it up like normal. And now we're going to rinse and repeat. Now we're going to go ahead and pull that butter. Now we got those apples sitting in. We're just going to go brush some butter on the top of our crescent rolls. We're going to take and just sprinkle a little more of our spices on top. Now we're going to bake this at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes until this is done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, I just pulled mine out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and let these cool for a few minutes before we remove them from this and put them on our serving tray. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, they went ahead, they cooled for just a couple minutes because we want to serve these warm. But there we have them. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.